लोग क्या चल रहा है जीवन कोडिंग चल रहा है ना so our today's task is reverse each row of a 2D array or matrix. Okay, so our question, please write in comment, reverse each row of a 2D array. So firstly we will create an array int array which is 2D array obviously. So 4 and 4. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, okay, so what will be our next task for reversing each row? So, firstly, suppose there is a matrix. Okay, so pick one row of a matrix and consider it as a 1D array. Okay, so we will use the method of two pointer. The we will consider the first element of the row as start, like that the index of the first element is start and the index of the last element is end. Then swap the error start comma error end, and obviously start plus plus and end minus minus. Okay, yes. So let's start. So firstly we create the loop int for whole for all arrays, for reversing the all array. Okay, not one array, not one row, like that, not one D array. Okay, we will try to reverse all the array, like that, all the one D array in the 2D array. Okay, so int I equals to 0, I less than obviously 4, I plus plus. 4 means number of, yeah, number of rows or columns here. Okay, yes. Here we'll put, please tell me that here 4 is what, row or column? Please tell me these things for 2 minutes. So I hope that you think. So this 4 is row. Why? Because for one iteration, we will swap the two boundary elements and go to the middle portion continuously. So for one iteration, we are operating in a row. Okay, in a row, in one row, but our task is to operate whole the 2D array, like that, for all the rows. Okay, so here 4 is row number. Okay, so here start equals to start equals to this ARR. In start equals to क्या 0 and end equals to क्या होगा end equals to obviously column minus 1. Okay, what is column number 4 minus 1? Yes. Then while loop, the condition will be start less than end. Then inside the loop, we will swap the error I here for a particular 1DL. The row number is fixed, so error I, but the column number changes like start end and goes to the middle portion of the continuously, and finally loop breaks. Okay, start. Okay, comma error I and error and will be end, and obviously start plus plus and end minus one. Okay, yes, and finally we will print the whole array. Yes, so let's print for I equals to 0, I plus plus. So what will be the will be then for int I equals to 0, I will then this is 4 and I plus plus. Okay, so this is J. This is J. And this is also J. Okay. इंटर पे हो गया ना देखो भाई लोग our task is complete, so thank you my friend.